See that red rot that's taking place between the layers of the Bible? Those of you who are the layers of the cover, you can see that red rot, that powdery stuff right there. That's known as red rot, and that really has just taken over everything. But I'm not going to ditch the cover entirely. But what I did was I cut around the border that was just fraying really nasty over the past couple of years, and me doing little patch jobs with gaffer's tape around the edges. It was just starting to crack and just wear everywhere. So I picked up this really heavy-duty mulberry paper. It's not Kozo, it's a heavier paper. It's almost like cardstock, really. It's very, very nice paper. Buy it in big sheets. And then I painted the border dimensions last night and let that dry thoroughly. But you can see I've disassembled it, and I want to do this updated video because this polyvinyl glue, this stuff right here, the neutral pH adhesive, is not sticking to that glossy leather. It's sticking just fine on the end paper, but I need a better solution. And the same thing was happening attaching this cover border that I'm going to demonstrate in a minute. But first, I want to try the Probond. This is the first time I've ever used this product. What's funny is that it's very watery in consistency. I would think it would be much goopier. Alright, so beginning with the front of the book, I'm going to put a very light bead of this. Boy, is this stuff watery. That's funny, it has such adhesive properties for such a viscous product. Try to keep that cover flat while I'm doing this. Sometimes those kind of things are a challenge. I kind of make sure that's relatively even. And then this part gets tucked in. I'm applying glue to the underside of the border on the front of the cover. I'm going to put a little weight on this for a few minutes to see if that secures that. Alright, this has set overnight and the paper has adhered very well to that glossy, smooth leather back with the Elmer's Probond Advanced. So I give the glue a thumbs up. It does what it purports to do. Just when you're working with it, be aware that it's very viscous. It comes out like water, and you really have to hold the pieces together quite well on both sides. Apply glue to both sides of the medium. And yeah, the end paper has also stuck in really nicely. The mulberry feels really organic and natural in the hand. I could have gone with the bookbinder tape that they use in the library, the really heavy cloth tape with the adhesive. I definitely could have gone with that. It's expensive, it's pricey, and I'm not going to get the quite the organic feel I get with the mulberry. So yeah, post your comments below if you like this simple book repair project. It's the first time I've done something like this where I've cut out an area to form a border around, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with how it came out. I may try to clean up some of the residue here that you can see I've gotten around the edge there. It dried, shiny, the residue of the glue. Not too much of a big deal. Mostly I've salvaged this the way I wanted to. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you soon.